And time now for NDTV Save the Hills campaign. Today, Yogesh Damle travels to Mathiran to find out just how the hills there are being preserved.
Well, today we bring you snapshots from the cool and breezy town of Mathiran, which is a good 800 feet above the humid and sultry metro of Mumbai. Mathiran is totally bereft of any vehicular pollution, as the only mode of transport here are the horses. Now, they in turn have brought in a new set of problems, as piles of horse dung have been heaping in the city. But then, Mathiran Council has carved out an ingenious way to tackle this issue.
Mathiran, one of the oldest and the most beautiful hill stations in Maharashtra. The name Mathiran, which means forest on top, refers to the surrounding dense evergreen forest. It's the only hill station in India where no vehicle is allowed inside the town. Only an ambulance can come in, and that too in case of an emergency. So how do people move around in this town? Well, the secret of Mathiran is the power of these horses. They are used to transfer people from one place to another. And horse dung is used to generate biogas for the area. The picturesque town, residence to 6,000 people, is also home to over 600 horses, which means one horse for every 10 people. And as you go across town, labourers will be seen collecting the dung, which is then brought here to this biogas plant and converted into biogas used for cooking and manure. The 4-year-old plant is helping people here to get rid of around 3 tons of waste being generated every day.
रोज से 50 सिलेंडर का कैपेसिटी हम लोग कर सकते हैं, लेकिन बॉटलिंग का खर्चे ज़्यादा होने के कारण हम लोग उसका अंदर पावर जनरेट करने का सोच रहे हैं, जो फैसला लिया है। और हम म्यूनसिपैलिटी की जो स्ट्रीट लाइट है, जो 160 स्ट्रीट लाइट है, उसका ऊपर हम लोग ये बायोगैस से उनका कार्यान्वित करेंगे।
The dumping yard of Mathiran is now free of biodegradable waste. Even the wastewater generated from this plant is recycled and utilized for garbage processing and gardening of the biogas project premises. Mathiran, perhaps the perfect example to teach us that nature never generates waste and everything can be recycled and reused. In Mathiran with Yogesh Damle, Hina Gambhir for NDTV.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app. Fully optimized for retina display, full screen view, faster response time, and Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.